Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a quick and easy guide on how to find all group members on Facebook using your PC, featuring the latest updates. Let's get started. First things first, open your Facebook account. Head over to your preferred web browser and log in. If you're already logged in, great. You're one step closer to exploring your groups. Now, once you're on your homepage, look for the Groups tab located in the left-hand menu. This section is your gateway to all the groups you're a part of. Just click on it. Next, after clicking the Groups tab, you'll see an option labeled Your Groups. Click on this to see a complete list of all the groups you've joined. It's the easiest way to access them all at once. Once you have the list in front of you, scroll through and click on the desired group that you want to explore further. This will take you straight to that group's main page, where you can interact with posts and members. Now that you're in the group, look for the Members tab. It might be right at the top of the page. Click on this tab, and voila! You'll now see all the members of the group displayed. This feature is handy if you want to connect with people or simply get to know your fellow group members better. And there you have it. You've successfully found all group members on Facebook using your PC. Remember, whether you're networking or just exploring, this new update makes it super easy. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.